Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So I'm gonna start off by applying my concealer as my primer. I'm just gonna dab a little bit on my eyelid and then just blend it in with my fingers. So the concealer that I'm using today is from Maybelline Fitme concealer. I really do love this concealer. Next, I'm gonna use my pink eyeshadow from my BH Cosmetic palette as my transitioning color, and I'm just gonna make sure that everything is well blended and on point. Next, I'm taking the light velvet color from the same palette and blending it on top of the transitioning color. And I'm also gonna blend in the dark velvet color to give the transitioning a smoky effect. And I'm also gonna blend in my dark caramel color from COLORPOP to add to the smoky effect. I'm just gonna blend it on top of my lid and make sure everything is well blended. For this fun part, I just carved out my lid using my Maybelline Fitme concealer. I can't speak today. So this is really fun to do. All you have to do is make sure that everything is well curved, and also I was using the application from the Maybelline Fitme to do this curve, but I don't know if you can use that. But yeah, so I'm gonna go on top using my Eyeshadow. This is in the color. I'm gonna leave the color down below. I don't really know the color of her. So yes, I'm gonna dab it on top of the curved eyes and just make sure that everything is well padded in. And I'm using a small brush. So you can get this small brush at Amazon or anywhere, because I'm using most of the brushes that I use is very affordable to me. And so yes, I purchased everything by myself and I don't have the money to purchase high-end brushes. So yes, and I don't get sponsorship, guys, so that is the deal. So I didn't fast forward this part because I just wanted you guys to see how well I was taking my time for this, doing the padding in, and also making sure that everything is well blended and well padded in, and it doesn't go out of the transitioning color. I didn't want the eyeshadow to touch the transitioning color, so I was taking my time and doing the padding. To add to the crease, I'm gonna use a glitter that I got from Amazon. This glitter is mauve in color. I didn't really get the picture for the glitter, but I showed you the glitter, whatever. So yes, this glitter is very pretty, but the gel that I was using in application for this glitter was not really doing a good job for me. The glitter kept falling out whilst I was doing the application, and it wasn't really sticking down the glitter as I wanted. It was a big fail. And I'm also gonna line my curved crease with this beautiful glitter that I also got from Amazon. Very pretty glitter. It's also defined the curved crease. It did a very good job with that. So I was really taking my time lining the lid and making sure that the glitter doesn't touch the transitioning crease, and also really defining the cut crease. Next, I'm gonna do my eyeliner by using this eyeliner from Fixation Formula. I really do love this eyeliner. Very pretty. This is my #1 eyeliner. I haven't received any PR package, so this is the only eyeliner that I use, and I really do love it. And I just use the product that I want and I love, and most of them is drugstore products. This eyeliner is very liquidy, so it's very good when applying it on top of a glitter. To define my lashes, I'm gonna use my Urban Decay mascara, very pretty mascara. So I'm also gonna go in and use my Remove Stay Matte primer. This primer is very good for my skin. I have oily skin, so if you have oily skin, this primer is very good for you. I'm just gonna apply it on where I normally get oily, on my nose, my T-zone area. And whilst I'm applying my primer, my lashes is sitting down waiting for me because I already put the glue on it and I'm waiting for it to get tacky so that I can apply it. So as soon as I'm done with this, I'm just gonna put on my lashes and then we could move on to the how do you call it, the foundation. I'm applying my foundation from Maybelline and I use this foundation in addition with a concealer. And guys, if I tell you this foundation gives me a flawless finish, my god, the foundation is very good for my skin. It gives me a full coverage because I have dark spots. If you don't know, I have dark spots, so this foundation does a good job covering the dark spots. And so yeah, as you can see, I used my beauty sponge in applying my foundation and my concealer. So yes, I do this because it gives me a smooth finish. So guys, as I said earlier on, the glitter glue application that I used in applying this glitter didn't do a good job. The glitter kept falling on my lashes and I had to keep moving the glitters of my lashes. This was a very big fail for me. So what I'm doing is just blending in my concealer, making sure that everything is well blended in and just highlighting my face. So yeah, moving on, I'm just highlighting my face using my Sacha Buttercup setting powder. I'm just applying this underneath my eyes, and so yeah. So guys, one fun fact about applying my setting powder is I don't let it sit on my face because I'm not looking for this harsh flashback. So I just blend it in using my sponge. So yeah, and also I have oily skin, so I set my face using my Milani loose powder. I just dab a little bit of powder and then I set my face using my brush. It really controls the oil as well. To contour my face, I'm using my CoverGirl cream bronzer. I make sure to brush it in because I'm not looking for any harsh line, and also I contour my forehead and my jawline. I'm not really into the contouring thing that is really trending. What I do is just use my bronzer to do this, and it really gives me a nice flawless finish. And so yeah. Next, since I don't have a cheekbone, I'm defining my cheekbone using my Milani loose powder. I'm just making sure that I get a little bit of cheekbone because I have full round face and I don't have any, you know, structure to my face. So this is gonna give me a little bit of structure to my face. I'm just dusting the excess powder with my brush. So to define my lower lashes, I'm just using my red eyeshadow from my palette, my BH Cosmetic palette, and just making sure that it's well blended and well shadowed in my lower lashes. And I'm also gonna go in with my pencil. This pencil is from Milani. I'm just defining my waterline. And to define my lashes, I'm also going to use my Urban Decay mascara to define the lashes, the lower lashes. Moving on to another fun part, I'm using my highlighter from bybel. And the highlighter that I'm using is shown on the screen. I really do love this highlighter. One of my favorite highlighter. I don't see the need to purchase any highlighter apart from this one because any highlighter that I purchase, it doesn't really pop like this one. So yes, and I'm also applying my Milani lipstick. I'm using the color 19 Covet to define the upper lips. I got this lipstick from Walmart. Very pretty lipstick. And I'm also going to use their nude color to give me like an ombre effect. So I'm just applying it in the middle of my lips. Finally, finally, I'm going to set my face using my MAC setting spray. So guys, this is the final look. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you on my next video. So this is what I'm showing you. This is from my Snapchat. Guys, make sure to follow me on Snapchat. I'm going to leave the link in the info section and also maybe on the screen. So yes, check me out, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye.